In a tranquil village nestled between emerald hills and babbling brooks, there lived a revered Zen master named Ryo. His wisdom was sought far and wide, and people traveled great distances to seek his guidance. One cool autumn morning, as the golden leaves danced on the wind, a young traveler named Kaido arrived at the Zen master's humble abode. Kaido had heard tales of Ryo's extraordinary ability to read minds and hoped to learn this mystical skill. With a respectful bow, Kaido implored, "Master Ryo, I have journeyed far to seek your wisdom. Please teach me the art of reading minds." Ryo's eyes twinkled with a knowing smile. "Sit, young one, and let me share a tale that may illuminate your path." The Whispering Leaves. Once, in the heart of the village, there stood an ancient tree, its branches adorned with leaves of every hue. The villagers believed that if one sat beneath it in perfect stillness, they could hear the secrets of the world. Ryo recounted a story of his youth. "As a novice, I would sit beneath that tree for hours, hoping to unlock its secrets. I yearned to understand the language of the leaves, to discern the unspoken words." Kaido listened intently, captivated by the imagery. "But Master, how does this relate to reading minds?" Ryo's eyes held a gentle wisdom. "The human heart, my dear Kaido, is like the leaves on that ancient tree. It carries whispers of thoughts, dreams, and fears. To truly understand another, one must learn to listen, not just with ears, but with the heart." The mirror of compassion. Ryo then guided Kaido to a still pond where koi fish swam gracefully. "Observe the water, young one. What do you see?" Kaido peered into the clear depths, his reflection shimmering alongside the drifting fish. "I see myself, Master." Ryo nodded. "Indeed, but look deeper. What do you feel?" Kaido closed his eyes, allowing the sensations to wash over him. "I feel a sense of calm, of unity." The Zen master smiled. "To read another's mind, one must first see their reflection in the mirror of compassion. Empathy is the gateway to understanding. When you truly connect with another's feelings, their thoughts will flow like ripples in the pond." The Dance of Silence. As the sun began its descent, painting the sky with fiery hues, Ryo led Kaido to a tranquil garden. In the center stood a statue of two figures engaged in an elegant dance. "Watch closely, Kaido," Ryo instructed. "What do you notice about their movements?" Kaido studied the figures, their forms fluid and harmonious. "They move as one, in perfect synchronization." Ryo's eyes gleamed. Communication need not always be spoken. To read another's mind, one must learn the dance of silence. Observe their body language, the subtle shifts, the unspoken gestures. These speak volumes when you attune your heart to them. As the moon ascended, casting a silvery glow upon the village, Kaido felt a profound shift within himself. He realized that reading minds was not about mystical powers, but about deep listening, genuine empathy, and perceptive observation. With gratitude, Kaido bowed to the wise Zen master. "Thank you, Ryo, for showing me the true path to understanding others." Ryo's smile held the warmth of 1,000 suns. "Remember, Kaido, the greatest mysteries lie not in the arcane, but in the heart's embrace of wisdom, compassion, and silence. Go forth, and may you read the hearts of others with the light of truth." And with that, Kaido left the village, carrying with him not a magical ability, but the timeless wisdom of a Zen master's teachings. He knew that in the art of reading minds, there was no secret, only the profound simplicity of being present and truly seeing another soul.